Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy from Noon. Once you actually launch the Noon app, you need to come here at the top and click on the address section, and you need to add a new address because you cannot proceed to checkout in Noon if you don't have an address. So tap here, add new address, and then search up your location. I'll go ahead and use this one for example, and then all you need to do is click here, add address details, add your apartment and floor number, building name. These are optional directions, and then receiver details are also needed, and their phone number, and then go ahead and save this. After you have your address, you can go ahead and buy things. So we can come here and add items to our cart. Let's add this shoe for example. We'll choose our size. Let's do 38 Europe. Quantity, I'll leave it as 1, and then we'll add this to cart. Now if we come to the bottom right, you'll see our cart, and then from here you can see all the items you have in your cart, and here you can come and check the breakdown of what it looks like. You can also come here at the bottom and add coupons. You can click here, view more available offers, and you'll see the different coupons you can get and what you need to do to unlock other coupons. I'll proceed here to checkout, and that is where you'll add your payment details. Okay, they'll actually prompt you to add them. So if we scroll down here, it will tell us what we need to pay with. You can do a debit credit card, you can use your Noon One credit card, you can pay it with Tabby, Tamara, or even cash on delivery as well. And then you just come here and slide to order. Really that easy, and that is how to buy from Noon.